Welcome to Classic Car Cave, or welcome back to Classic Car Cave. Okay, so I just got back off the flight this morning, so I'm kind of 3 hours difference, 3 hours difference between Vienna and Dubai. So I got back in about 12 o'clock today. So I've just done this little bit of video. It's actually shot at the Dubai Autodrome, and it's been about 4 years since I drove one of these cars, but not on the main circuit, on a smaller one. And you could never get out of fourth gear. The circuit was too small where I originally did it. And I made a few faux pas. I actually turned the ignition switch off by mistake. These cars are like got a sequential gearbox, so the 5 in and 5 out, so it's 5 gears, but it's a big heavy triangular tubular metal physical gear change, and I must have touched it with my gloves. One of the things I did find is there's a weight restriction on this, so 118 kilos is the maximum you can be. You've got to be a certain height, over 21 with a full license, so on. And I've realised my shoulders are getting too big and my belly is far too big, and my elbows are rubbing terribly on it. It's very small in the cockpit, so I think it's probably one of the last times I'll ever get a chance to do it, which is why I took the opportunity to do it, especially on the main circuit. So yeah, it was great fun. Really glad I did it, and yeah, I'll bring you up to date on some of the other things happening with the XK, and got myself a GoPro 10, a Hero GoPro 10 I think it is. So I'll go through all that and bring you up to date in the next video, but I thought you might like to see what this Dubai experience is like. If you ever go, well worth doing, great fun. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the video. Bye.